People always put me in a box, tell me I couldn't do something. Even the guys at the gym be like, you can't play with us. It's like, you can't do this, you can't do this, you can't do this. Like, nah, I can play basketball. I can start my own brand. I can do all these things. I want to be somebody positive in the world. Let's get it. What's up, y'all? It's Tiffany Hayes, and this is my Sephora story. I'm a professional basketball player, I'm an entrepreneur, and I'm the founder of Sayonara 1963. First of all, my mom instilled so much in me that just made me a stronger person, and having to get through things on my own. She put us in all different sports, and basketball just happened to be the one that I got the best at the fastest. Because I was still good at baseball, I still ran good cross country, I played good soccer, but basketball was just the one that stuck out like for the long run. My journey started in Polk County, Florida, then went to prestigious school in Connecticut. We ended up winning 2 back-to-back national championships. I got drafted to a professional basketball team. I was playing like overseas. It was like 2 seasons in 1 year every year for 12 years. And then I retired after that. I felt like I could do so much more. Being in the space that I was in the league, it was like stopping me from doing so many other things. You know, try to be great at other things that I love. A really, really great team in the league. They called me out of retirement, asked me to come back. When I had a really good season there, I actually won 6th Woman of the Year. So that ended me up in San Francisco, where I played for the Golden State Valkyries. I had never been to San Francisco before this season, by the way, so it was a whole different vibe for me. It's super dope out here, and it's been a good year so far. I think beauty to me is standing on business, like what you believe in, what you feel, and what you see is for you, and it looks good. I feel good, I know I'm gonna look good, and that comes from the inside out. Sephora is a pioneer in supporting women's sports, and I think that's definitely important because being one of the first to support women's basketball and show that support, it will get other people on board and on the train to want to do the same thing. If I could spread like a positive message, if I can put out positivity in my brand and my art and my work and what I say, my story is going to be a blueprint for somebody, and it's going to be positive, it's going to be dope, it's going to be something I can leave for the future, legacy. So that's just what I want to do.